It wonder, hit them light and turn and make them wonder. Stratospheric, you don't shining bright in the spotlight so bright. Ah, the thing them it wonder from outer space. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who gonna call? Hit wonder. Stand up, stand up, standing up, stand up, stand up, standing up. Yeah, people. Remember, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a like, support my thing. Don't afraid for press the like button. Don't afraid for watch my thing. Just support my channel. You see me? Just support my channel. I'm afraid for talk the thing them. I'm afraid for say what I'm say. Freedom of speech. I'm afraid. Oh man bless, no man curse. I talk for talk. You see me? And that man make you know. Saying? So, yeah. Let's get into it. No. Yeah, people. What I want to talk, these people are doing everything them can. Them have some criminal mindset. Them have some wicked things in their mind, in them thought. They don't want to work. They don't want to learn skill. They don't want to learn a trade. Them want quick money. Them want quick cash. Them have too strong foot. Them strong, them young. Them just want to get up in the morning, roll a spliff in them and miggle, drink Hennessy, go to party, breathe off the girl them. And these girls are sleeping with these criminals. They know what they're doing. When them clean them bloody clothes, them cook them food. And these girls sleeping with these gangsters and these thugs and these murderers. And the girl them know what them doing. But they don't care. As long as them getting money. As long as them getting the cash. They don't care who them sleep with. They don't care if them sleep, if them boyfriend that murder people are doing these things. They don't care. As long as them getting the money. Them skin out them front to these murderers. And these parents, they don't care what the son and daughter doing out there. They just don't give a shit. Well, anyway, people, I'm talking about some man plan to rob one truck will have rice, rice, you know, the food were in the truck, like rice, tin food, accessory, the supermarket stuff in the trailer. Boom. The man them comes up for plan for rob the truck. Right? Them plan for rob the truck. But it never went well. Right? Them stick up the truck, point it upon the blower driver and shoot the driver. The driver dead. Them took up the driver, you know, and murder the driver, you know. And the truck go to control and turn over, you know. But through the people them, it look like, to me, like the people them just plan out there. I wait for one truck for just turn over, or them was with the gunman. Them plan it. Shoot up the blow truck driver and the truck driver dead. Truck turn over and the people them raid the blood clot truck. So the gunman them couldn't get what them want. It was a waste. Because the people them raid it and gone about them business. The truck man them didn't want it for sell when them for sell and get money out of it. Them kill the truck driver. Them murder the truck driver. What is wrong with these generation? What is the mentality of these dirty drunker? Them demon boy. Them not want to work. Them not want to learn a skill. And they just want to get up and rob people and kill people for a living. And roll up in a blood clot and mingle with weed. And drink in the Hennessy and go party and go breed some little careless waste girl. Eh? When the government are gonna look into them something. And that me realize with them government, them not business either. And the security force don't give a fuck either, and them don't give a shit. People, pardon my language, this show is not for kids. This is not for kids, it's for adult only. Right? It's like them money don't give a shit. This politician don't give a damn. Them promise the people them all sort of something. Them do all sort of promise and still the crime rate still a go on. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, vote for me, man. And remember when you vote for me, people, you can left the door open. If you left your door open, man, come in there, come rob up that. When you come in, you don't see nothing in the house. So Prime Minister, don't promise the people things where they can't keep. PMP and JMP, them do the same damn thing. When I care nobody wants to say. These people promise the people them and them don't do it. The crime rate is so high in Jamaica that the US don't want no Jamaican to come up there. Them not want no Jamaican no visa. Not even Canada want soon. America no want soon. Not even UK want soon. Because when you go to America and you go to Canada and you go to UK, a beer fucker to keep up. Look on the truck driver. Him not deserve for dead. I work the man, I work for a living. And then you go murder the man. Turn over the truck. And you never get a dime when you forget. God not sleep in a youth. And them little dirty people there raid the blood clot truck. I tell you, the things are getting wicked in Jamaica right now. These men don't want to work. Them just want to kill, rob. Them just want to get up. It's like every day, them get up and just say, all right, what am I going to do today? All right, I'm going to rob Mr. Brown. You know what I say? Yeah, man, the boy they owe me some money now. I'm going to murder him blood clot. And they murder him. That's what I go on in Jamaica right now. And the politician not doing a shit. Road want fix. The crime rate. The government promised the people them all sort of shit. But them can't keep. The PMP and the GLP are the same thing. And only same little you that people have vote for them. What them do for them? Them not doing shit. Jamaica need to clean up. And the corruption need to clean up. We need a better Jamaica. We want back with Jamaica. The US are look on with down and a downgrade Jamaica and say, yo, people, don't go down there for vacation, you know. When we're dead. Them now want the tourists them to come to Jamaica because what? The way the crime rate are going. Yeah. Anyway, next topic. Yeah, people, this happened at Walmart in Virginia. I don't know what take this man here. I don't know what he was thinking. I don't know what this man was on his mind. But people, the government, the president need to do something about this gun law. Because it'll get out of hand, people. Big man thing. It's like anybody can get gun right now. This happened in Virginia last week. One man just decided to say, all right, I'm gonna murder some people. The man going to Walmart. This happened in Virginia. The man going to Walmart and decide to say, yo, I'm gonna murder people. The man going there, the man just start rotted spray. People dead. Mara all fly. Brains are lick out. The man just go in there and start shoot up the place. One girl, I don't know if a girl or a guy, I think it's a girl, just get the job and say, yes, I feel good, I get a job now. The girl dead on her first day at the job at Walmart. And this bumble evil ras man. I don't know if I stress or depression. It no matter youth. Well, you no need to take out the stress from people, brethren. Me no know why you have to go and do that. It's like the demon, the devil. That's what the devil want. The man just decide say he's gonna murder people. And then after that, couple minutes or so, or a couple hours, police find him dead in him car. Why you never just shoot yourself and done instead of you go shoot some people, my youth? You go kill the people them for what? What them do ya? The people them never do you nothing, youth. You know on a right for go take out your gun and start spirit up on people. I take your demonic devil self for go start spray up on people, youth. What kind of evil mentality that, youth? What the people them do you? President, Mr. President, do something about this gun law because people, they might take out them stress and I do some evil things. They need help. They have some mental issue. There's something is going on with these people. I don't know if the food them a put something in. I don't know if them a put something in the food. I don't know what is going on. Jaja. People, I don't say what I have to say. God go with me. It wonder out.